Hello and welcome to ArtCenter College of Design Library. My name is Maria Trakovsky and I'm the serials coordinator here. This is the second in a series of digital magazine tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to access the wonderful Vogue archive from the A through Z list of our online resources. So you would begin by simply going to our homepage here, lib.artcenter.edu. And then you see in the left-hand side, the online resources tab that you would hit on. And then that should take you to our A through Z list here. And the easy way to find Vogue is simply to scroll down alphabetically until you see it under V. Another way to find it is by format. Since you know it's a magazine, you would select magazines and newspapers. That should narrow down your results to 14, and it's just an easier time getting to the bottom here where you see the Vogue archive. You would then click on that and it will open it up for you. You notice it goes straight to the home page. That's because I'm already logged in with my credentials. If you weren't, it would give you the window to enter your ArtCenter credentials. Once you log in, you can search by a number of factors. I just went ahead and filled it out with Dior, the designer, to see what comes up. And you can see that there are 6,000 results. We can then narrow down the results by what you're looking for. For example, if you would like not an advertisement, but an article, you would then click on full text. And then you would go to the document type selector here and say that you're looking for an article. And you can see that there are 3,308 results under that designer articles. Then you can go ahead and narrow down the date range. So let's say you're researching typography in mid-century. So you would then slide the slider to, let's say, 1959, and here 1950 is your range, and then you click on update. And then now you have the 322 results for actual features containing Christian Dior content. Once you open up what you're interested in, you will find the original layout, which is very useful if you're studying photography or layout or typography. And in this case, it's 2 pages. And you can either save it as PDF, cite it, email it to yourself or others, print, or other options, such as, for example, uploading it to a cloud. So then if you go back, you can also find something a little bit more current by lifting the filter. So you would clear that particular filter on the left. And then you would do the opposite. You would slide the slider towards the current decade, or let's say the one right before 2010 to 2019, and then you would hit update. And that will bring you to much more current results. So for example, if you hit on this issue from 2011, July, you see a completely different style reflecting of the time period. And again, you can do a multiple things with this particular resource. So this is the Vogue archive. One last thing I'd like to just point out, that you don't have to search by designer. There are many different ways to search. You can search by fashion item. Let's say you're looking for material only on shoes. You can search by brand. You can also search by the photographer and illustrator, or the material, for example, if you're only interested in pieces about leather or silk. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I will be back to show you other ways to access magazine content. Thank you very much.